So now first I am saying how to open ANSYS software. You have an icon by name ANSYS. Just double click on it. You'll get this. Just click on OK. Now let us solve a model analysis problem. That is the first problem. See, first we'll go for preference, structural, H method. Okay. The same procedure is given to you. You can check it. Preprocessor, element type. Since the problem given is a beam element, I'll go for add, edit, delete. Add, I'll go for beam. And it is a 2D elastic 3. For this model analysis, we are selecting 2D elastic 3. Okay. Close. Then after that, we will pass on to the real constants. Real constants. Add, edit, delete. Add. Okay. Here what is the area? So the area which is given in the question is 0.01 and I value which is given in the question is 8.33 exponential minus 6 and the height value which is given in the question is 0.1 and just click on OK. So we will pass on to the next step, that is material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. So you have an Young's modulus value which is given in the question, that is 2 e power 11, which will be in meters. Okay. Then after that you should give a density value. The density value which is given in the question is divided by 9.81. So the value is 798.15. Actually in the question they have given 7830. It should be divided by 9.81, then you will get this value. Then after that you go for modeling, create, nodes, inactive CS. So the first node which is here as per the question, as per the FEM model, see the FEM model, first node you will have 0, 0 and in the second node you have 1, 0. You have 1, 0. Next, after that, we'll go for elements, auto number through nodes from first node to second node. So we have created an element. Then after this, we will go for loading condition, that is loads, define loads, apply, structural, displacement on nodes. I'll select a first node. The procedure is given in this one. I'll select a first node. Okay. You have all DOF. Just select it and give the displacement value as 0. Since in the all direction it has been fixed as per the question. Now again go for loads. Before going to the loads, just go for solution, analysis type, new analysis, go for model analysis since we are doing a model analysis. Okay. Then after that next go for analysis type, then go for analysis options. In the analysis option just go for subspace option. In that number of modes to extract. Okay, you have number of modes to extract and number of modes to expand. So you have number of modes to expand here. Just give it as 3. Then give OK. Then after this solution, analysis option, number of modes to extract I will give 3. Just keep it as subspace select. Analysis options, subspace, number of modes to expand is 3 and give OK. Okay, then give OK. After that go for solution, solve, current LS. There is no loading condition for this. go for solve, current ls, then give okay, you will get this solution done. Then go for general post processor. This is last step to get a result. General post processor, read result, just select first set. Read result, just select first set. Then go for plot results, deformed shape, deform plus undeformed shape, then give OK. When you give OK, you will get a frequency here, that is 256.365, which is the first value you have got through analytical calculation. Then go for read results again, then go for next set, and again plot results, deform plus undeform, OK. Again the frequency value is changed, it is a second value you have got somewhat 1600, it is this frequency value somewhat equal to that. Then go for read results, last set, then plot results, deform shape, deform plus undeform. This is a last set value. So this should be shown for this problem.